Thank you.
You're good to go.
Thank you.
Just going over some safety things.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're actually out in the streets of Willow out here in California. I did want to dedicate this video to kind of show you guys how to get a very specific shot that I've actually been seeing everywhere on social media. Personally, I've never done it once in my life. I actually just went ahead and got the things that I think that I needed. Now, as far as setups, I did go ahead and order this Adelkin Devices Gecko triple mount. I'm going to be using this GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is the one I use for all my POV videos. If it doesn't work, I will be using a 360 action camera later today. I ended up going with a 3-meter Telesin carbon fiber stick. You're actually able to expand this out pretty far. So we open up the package. This is what you get. I gotta find out how to use it, but so you guys can see 1, 2, 3, the more the merrier. So let's put this on the Civic and let's see how it works. And based off the preview, you could actually see that the car and the road is in focus. Alright. Well, my God, you saw that? So I actually went ahead and purchased this 360 camera last night. I might as well just do it for the video. I ended up going with the GoPro, I'm guessing this is the GoPro 10 Max. It's a full 360 camera and it basically lets you do these type of videos. So I was using the GoPro 7 at the track with David. But honestly, for the type of video that I want to get, this is going to be your best bet. I was making some research and basically this one and the Insta360 1X2 I think is the competitor. Actually found out that the GoPro Max actually has a little better quality, and of course I do run the GoPro 7 for all my POV footage, so I stuck with the GoPro brand for this kind of stuff. I think these go for around $500 right now in 2022. Quick tip, by the way, all my gear I actually usually get it used, and as you guys can see, this thing is practically brand new. The guy didn't even use it, it was a gift, and it's a perfect opportunity for me to you know, get it, use it, and actually put it to use. But of course be careful, because you never know, you could get, you know, ripped off or scammed. So just go ahead and test the camera when you're out there. And we are actually going to be going to a car meet tonight. It should be a pretty good turnout because everyone's been posting about it. So it's a perfect opportunity to test this thing out. So it should be a fun video. I'm actually excited. This is gonna be the first time that I'm using this thing, so I'm learning as I go. Can you even see the preview? Oh, so there's a regular video mode and then there's a 360 mode. Okay, currently 360 mode. So as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it looks pretty legit. Like, these are like the videos you see on TikTok and stuff. So I think this length is good for now, but this does scream pull me over, because imagine driving around with a big stick behind your car. We could actually see the reaction of people as we pull into the meet, just like a random Evo. Look at this, like if you saw us at a car meet, you'd be like, what the heck is going on? Setup again, triple Gecko mount, Telesin 3-meter pole. It's only extended like a quarter of the way. And what I do like with this GoPro versus my 7 is that I'm able to turn it off within the app, so I can conserve the battery. So I put power off, GoPro's off, and then once I'm ready to film again, I just simply control GoPro, it turns it back on, it connects, and I'm able to film. So this is my first time actually trying this, so hopefully the footage comes out all right. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys think. But yeah, let's head out to the gas station and let's see how it comes out. 85 is currently $359. Already got 40 bucks, but this thing does get a lot of attention, just letting you guys know right now. We have to meet up with some guys before we head out to the meet. Once I get there, I'll go ahead and put this thing back on, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and just take it off. That's cold. Keep it going. Damn, GC8. You get better, right? Got the Evo, 2 Supras, WRX, Miata, the Turbo S2K, Civic Type R, and an NSX in the back. There you go. Where's he at? Got the VR4 boys. Pretty much it for the 360 shots. Honestly, I am really impressed with how the GoPro Max actually got the shots. Now, to fully get the 360 shots in your editing program, you actually have to download another app. So I didn't even know that until I made some more research when I was editing everything. But it basically gives you like literally unlimited angles and shots of everything around you. So if you want to zoom out and get like the global view, which I think I added in the videos, if you want to get super close, if you want to look at the right, if you want to look at people's reaction, I was actually able to, you know, make like a custom video of what I wanted to show within the camera. So that was pretty dope. The GoPro 7 was a little bit of a fail. Of course, if this is all you have available to you, you can still get that angle for the third-person view. But the in-camera sound isn't that good on that GoPro. Excessive shake, and you can still see the stick. I'm kind of glad I did test the GoPro 7 because you guys can see the vast difference between a 360 camera and just like a regular camera with a super view. This was more of like a technical camera gear type of video. I guess I just added the vlog portion of it. Let me know what you guys thought of the video. Honestly, it was a little bit different because I was actually showing what I was using for my camera gear. I do plan on making the whole how to YouTube series basically for the channel for you guys. So I will be doing a how to be a YouTuber, how to get sponsorships, what gear do I use, how to get certain shots. I got a lot of good feedback from a lot of you guys in regards to making like the whole how to YouTube or how to film kind of series that I plan on making. So I do plan on doing that. Hope you guys are excited as I am because there's a lot more content coming into the channel. We are changing it up a little bit, but I do feel like we're evolving as a whole, and I do appreciate every single one of you guys. Share your like, comment what you want to see, subscribe if you haven't just yet because we got a lot more content coming, and I'll see you on the next one.